Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna talk about how to buy the cryptocurrency BYBIT, or also short name aka price. First of all, to start trading crypto, we have to make an account. For that I recommend Gate.io. So Gate.io is one of the biggest crypto exchanges and they have pretty low fees. So the fees are at 0.02% I believe. And also if you use my link down below, you pay 20% less fees, you get a 20% discount off your fees, and also you get a bonus up to 5,500 US dollars, and you support this channel, so it would be really great if you use the link down below. Let's get into it. So after you use the link and registered your account, you now can make the ID verification. So here the KYC, so you have to give them some more information about yourself, so your passport or your national ID, you have to make a photo of it. You can do this all also on your smartphone or here on the computer, that doesn't matter. After you now are verified, you can now start trading crypto. So here you can, on buy crypto, you can deposit crypto either with your credit card or your debit card. Also you can just make a bank transfer from your bank, wire transfer, and also you can of course deposit with crypto, and you can deposit almost every cryptocurrency. So this is probably around, I don't know, 500 cryptocurrencies I would guess, maybe more, maybe a little bit less, we don't know. So here you can also choose the network which you want to buy. So if you want to buy Solana, you can, after you deposit your money with cryptocurrencies or with your credit card or bank account, you can then start trading. For that you go here to trade, to spot trading. Here you can just search the cryptocurrency you want to buy. In this today we want to trade BYBIT price, so the short term is price, and here you can trade with the USDT. If you don't know what USDT is basically a stable coin that has the same value as the US dollar. So after you have to first change your money into USDT. If your deposition was with euro or US dollar, you have to change it into USDT. And when you got USDT, you can now start trading, and you can trade basically everything with USDT and also BYBIT. So if you want to trade BYBIT, you can now here choose the amount, how much you want to buy of your money that you have on this account. So if you want to buy all, you can put here 100%, but also you can just put here the USDT amount. So USDT is the same, has the same value as dollars, like I said. So this would be right now 1,000 US dollars, and the price count would be after decided how much you want to invest in it. So let's say we have 1,000 US dollars that we want to buy, and then we can here decide at which price we want to buy. And after we decide which price we want to buy, we just click here on trade, on buy, and then we bought our first coin. And if we want to sell, of course, we just do exactly the same here. So we just enter the amount how much we want to sell, and then we just click here the button, and also we can decide at which price we want to sell. And yeah, that's basically how it works. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a like up and also subscribe. So that's how you support the channel. And use the link down below, my referral link to Gate.io, and I got also some other referral links. And if you use the link, you get 20% discount and also a bonus up to 5,500 US dollars. So if you want to check that out, just feel free to look at the links. And yeah, I wish you all a great day or night, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.